Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to go to a message from Receive Media in the new WhatsApp app for PC. If you've ever received a photo, video, or document and later wanted to see the original message it came from, this update makes it super simple. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version so that all the new features are available to you. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left side menu and click on the media icon. This is where you can access all your shared photos, videos, documents, and other files. Next, choose media from the options available to open your full gallery. Here you'll see everything that's been sent or received in your conversations. Take a moment to locate the media file you're looking for. At the top of the window, you'll notice a small sort icon. Click on it and then select others from the list. This lets you organize your media by type and filter through your content quickly. Once you find the specific photo, video, or file that you want to trace back to its original message, simply right-click on it. You'll see a few options appear. From there, choose Go to Message, and that's it. WhatsApp will instantly take you back to the exact chat and message where that media was originally shared. This feature is perfect for saving time, finding context around a picture or file, and keeping your chats organized, especially when dealing with lots of shared media every day. With this new desktop update, WhatsApp continues to make it easier to manage conversations, keep track of files, and stay connected across your devices. So go ahead, try it out, and make the most of your WhatsApp experience. Thanks for watching.